Tax trouble. Child tax credits. 3 reasons why you haven't received $300 payment as next checks set to go out on Friday. As American families await their second child tax credit aid on Friday, many are dealing with specific reasons why they have yet to receive their first payment. There are various issues hampering the federal cash credit collection, including being paid the wrong amount, an erroneous omission for those families with an immigrant spouse, or some families may be entitled to collect the money but failed to file a 2020 tax return. The last reason is perhaps most persistent, since these advance monthly payments are based on the most recent filing, or unless your 2019 taxes are the latest year of returns. Half the total credit amount will be paid in advance monthly payments, and you will claim the other half when you file your 2021 income tax return, according to the Internal Revenue Service (IRS). It's very possible that if you filed, the information may be outdated or incomplete. Meanwhile, a number of mixed status families missed out because of an agency glitch. In a statement, the IRS acknowledged that some taxpayers who filed tax returns with immigrant status numbers and mistakenly did not receive their child tax credit payment for July. But the agency promised to have corrected the issue. Playing catch-up. Also, the IRS has been playing catch-up. The agency reported a fourfold increase in backlog in processing returns compared to 2019. This tax season, the agency confirmed there were 35 million tax returns which hadn't been manually processed, according to the National Taxpayer Advocate, a government watchdog. CTC. So far since July 15, the IRS began supplying eligible families with the Child Tax Credit (CTC) worth as much as $300 per month for each child under 6 years old and $250 for each kid between the ages of 6 and 17. The next date is August 13 and is set to continue through December. About $15 billion of federal funds were paid to families that include nearly 60 million eligible children, as part of the CTC, made possible because of President Joe Biden's $1.9 trillion American Rescue Plan package passed in March. Key portals. The publication CNET lays out key portals, starting with creating an id.me account. The CTC Update portal can help confirm eligibility and check payment history. The latter also lets you update your banking information, specifically if you want to be paid by paper or the more common direct deposit. Also, it's here where you can opt for either the monthly payments or a lump sum when filing your 2021 tax return. The next deadline to opt out for the September payment is August 30, CNET confirmed. If your financial or family status changed for 2021, it's possible your eligibility did as well. Earned versus received. Single filers who earn $75,000 or less, as well as those making $112,500 or less as a head of household, or those making $150,000 or less filing jointly, should be entitled to the maximum amount. Payments begin to dwindle by $50 for every $1,000 of earned income over those three sums. If you're welcoming a baby, getting married, or your annual income fluctuated, all might affect if you're qualified or how much you might get paid. The Change of Circumstances portal should allow them to enter their change in marital status and also where the children are. Nina Olson, executive director of the Center for Taxpayer Rights, said during an IRS oversight hearing. One major thing to remember is if you collect the cash but are actually ineligible, those funds would have to be paid back to the IRS next tax season. If that's the case, the best course of action is to be safe and opt out of advance payments and collect the monies next year, according to CNET. More portals. The non-filer portal is available for those who missed the May 17 deadline. This tool is intended to assist lower-income households to secure payments. The Child Tax Credit Eligibility Assistant sorts out whether the family qualifies for the CTC.